Hi guys, and welcome back. In this video, I'm just going to share with you how to sell a cash secure put on Senseonics, SENS, and possibly get it at a discounted price. But before I continue on, just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. I also started a Patreon Discord page where I'm trying to find like-minded people like myself who is interested in making money in the stock market, as well as learn about selling options and just collaborating with the 50 members that we already have in there and trying to find the next hot stock, as well as trying to find strategies on ways that we can grow our portfolios together. I will also be sharing my trades with you guys as well. If you are interested, check out my link down below. So there hasn't been much news on SENS since their last fourth quarter reports. So they reported their earnings on March 4th, and here are some highlights. They were able to generate fourth quarter 2020 revenue of $3.9 million, primarily driven by orders to support the European install base up to the Essentia Diabetes Care commercial transition. They were able to raise $175 million of proceeds from equity offerings in the first quarter of 2021, which strengthened their balance sheets. Essentia Diabetes Care initiated Eversense sales and marketing activities in Europe and select markets on February 1st. They were able to reduce fourth quarter operating expenses by $13.8 million compared to the prior year period, resulting from the execution of strategic cost reductions and streamlined operational focus. I am very bullish on SENS, and I do see them going to at least $7 by the end of this year. If we take a look at their charts, they went to a high of, I believe, $5 back in February, mid-February, and right now they are trading at $2.75. So what I want to do is I want to get SENS when it goes down to $2.50. But instead of just setting a buy limit at $2.50, I can sell a cash secure put, collect a premium, and possibly get the stock at a discount. So let's take a look. I've done this many times in the past already. I was able to collect numerous premiums, and you don't need a lot of money for this, guys. So let's check it out. We're going to go ahead and go to trade options. Every brokerage will have a different setup. I am using Robinhood because it's very user-friendly. And if you don't know what any of this stuff is, they have it all here. Buy, call, debit spread. They explain it for you. But it still takes time to fully understand it. So what I'm going to do now is pick an expiration date. I like to sell weekly options, but unfortunately SENS doesn't offer weekly options, so the next one is monthly. April 16th is the closest. I want to sell it at $2.50 because I'm willing to buy shares at $2.50. So in order to sell a cash secure put, one, we do need to put up the collateral. The collateral is calculated by 100 times the strike price. Think of the strike price as the buy price that you are willing to buy it at. The reason why it's 100 is because there's 100 shares in one contract. So you do need to be able to buy 100 shares. But since it's such a low cost stock, it's 2.5, so all you need to put up is $250. So as long as you have $250 in your portfolio, you are able to place this trade. So what your brokerage is going to do is put that money aside just in case that you do get assigned. So what does it getting assigned mean? It means that if the stock price, which we can see here, share price $2.75, is at $2.50 or below $2.50, at the end of the day, on expiration dates, which is April 16th, it's what we chose. So if it is at 2.5 or below, then we would then use our collateral to buy 100 shares at 2.5. If it is above 2.5 at the end of the day on expiration dates, then what will happen to our collateral is we would receive that collateral back to us. Whatever the outcome is, whether we have to buy 100 shares at $2.50 or we don't, we get to keep a small premium. So we see this price on the far right, 0.18, and then we go to 3 strike price, it's 0.48. So what this is the premium that we would receive for selling this cash secure put. So I'm going to click on this and let's see what happens when we sell one contract. We would receive $15. You might think this is not a lot of money. But if you were planning to shares of SENS at $2.50, this is just extra money. And $15, you can actually use this to buy more shares of SENS. So $15 is a lot of money if you put it in perspective. Like, this is a gallon of gas. You can buy food with $15. And if you do this every month, or if you sell more than one contract, that would be more income for you. 2 contracts, $30, and so forth. So I've been selling roughly 2 to 5 contracts every month and just generating the income, because I want to be able to generate extra income every single month or every single week, depending on if the stock has weekly options. And you don't need a big portfolio to do this. And also, you don't need to spend a lot of time to do this. You just need roughly about a few hours a week. Determine what stocks you want to own. See if they have an options chain. And look at the IV also, because the higher the implied volatility, this one has 120%. The higher it is, the more premium us option sellers receive. And the reason why I rather sell an option versus buying an option is because we cannot predict where the stock price is going to go. It is a 6% return and a little over 2 weeks. You might think 6% is not a lot of money. 6% is more than what you would make in a savings account. That's all I wanted to share with you guys, that you can make extra money with a small account. You can collect a premium on your favorite stocks, and you just do this every single month, every single week. The premium will be different every week or every month. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below, and do consider joining the Patreon Discord page. I do share my trade alerts on there, and you'll be collaborating with 50 other members. I'm trying to find people where we can talk about stocks, cryptocurrency, and options, and just growing as a community and growing our accounts together. Trading, investing can be lonely, and you just want to be able to do it with a community. So do consider joining the Patreon page. Thanks so much. Hi there. If you are interested in helping out the channel, you can sign up for Webull if you haven't already. They are currently offering 2 free stocks now. It used to be 4, so you don't want to wait until it gets to 1 free stock or no stocks at all. So you get 1 free stock when you open up a Webull account. And when you deposit $100 or more, you get 1 more free stock, which is valued between $8 and $1,600. And if you are transferring from another brokerage, they will reimburse you the fees up to $100. And you will also receive a complimentary 3-month subscription to Level 2 Events NASDAQ Total View from the day you sign up. So guys, what are you waiting for? 2 free stocks are waiting for you.